Okay, and then you will find a deep caramel or Bacardi Black that I'm going to use today. Okay, so today I use two rum, the two great rum. Okay, and then we can be in only ensure you that two great rum combined together, it only make perfect drink only. Okay, I'm going to start with Bacardi Superior rum. For this one, I'm going to make double portions. Okay. And Bacardi Black. This sugar is 50. Okay. And I'm going to use a VSOP cognac or any your favorite cognac. I'm going to use 50 of each, so two is going to be 30. I use a simple syrup. And this is a coffee.
Qué rico, mami.
And then check it. Okay. Because the drink is very strong, so I would recommend you for after dinner drink. This drink is suitable with cigar, Cuban cigar. I would suggest you for maybe a medium body